Welcome to nature, guardians of green. Our planet is a treasure trove of vibrant forests, sparkling rivers, and diverse wildlife. Nature is not just beautiful, it's vital for our survival. It provides us with clean air, fresh water, and food. But beyond these essentials, nature also offers us inspiration and a place to reconnect with ourselves. Let's explore why protecting our natural world is crucial and how we can all be guardians of green.
Unfortunately, our natural world faces many threats. Deforestation, pollution, and climate change are causing irreversible damage to our environment. Forests are being cut down at an alarming rate, affecting biodiversity and the climate. Oceans are becoming polluted with plastic, harming marine life, and climate change is causing extreme weather events that threaten both nature and human life. These challenges might seem overwhelming, but there is hope.
Around the world, people are working hard to protect our environment. Conservationists are restoring forests, cleaning up oceans, and protecting endangered species. National parks and wildlife reserves play a crucial role in preserving biodiversity. Organizations and volunteers are coming together to make a difference. Simple actions like planting trees, reducing plastic use, and supporting sustainable practice can have a big impact. It's up to all of us to contribute to this effort.
Each of us can be a guardian of green in our own way. Start by reducing, reusing, and recycling. Use less plastic and opt for reusable items. Save water and energy at home. Support eco-friendly products and companies. Get involved in local environmental projects like community gardens or beach cleanups. Educate others about the importance of protecting our planet. Small steps can lead to big changes. Together, we can ensure a healthier and greener future for all living beings.
Thank you for joining us on this journey through nature, guardians of green. We hope you feel inspired to take action and protect our natural world. Remember, every effort counts. Let's be the guardians of green and ensure that nature thrives for generations to come.